colors. Hi guys, in this video I will show you a simple recipe with roasted chicken in an air fryer. For the ingredients, we need 3 chicken thighs, some oyster sauce, also soya sauce, then some chili satay. Next, we need salt, then cooking oil. Lady, you need to refill the bottle. You will also need some 5 spice powder, then brown sugar, and finally ginger, shallot, and garlic. Begin by cutting small lines in the chicken thighs. This way, the chicken will absorb the spices faster and it will cook also faster. Now, put in the blender some shallot, then ginger and garlic. Also add 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of 5 spice powder. You also need 1/2 teaspoon of satay, then 1/2 tablespoon of cooking oil. Next, 1/2 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Finally, add 1 tablespoon of soya sauce. Now grind it. Then add the sauce to the chicken thighs. Mix it well. Give them a little massage. And marinate it for about 1 hour. After that, take them out and put them in the air fryer. Now for the cooking mode, choose air fry at 345 Fahrenheit and 20 minutes. Once done, take them out. Wow! Now look at those chicken! So yummy! Bon appétit!